The hair and beauty industry represents a significant part of the UK economy, from approximately 55,000 salons across the country. Making the industry more environmentally friendly and less resource intensive has potentially huge benefits. Since 2012, we have been working with salons, training colleges and industry bodies to embed sustainability across the industry. My name is Denise Baden. I'm an Associate Professor in Sustainable Business at the University of Southampton. I'm especially interested in motivators for sustainable practice, and it became apparent that despite increasing awareness of sustainability issues, behaviours have been slow to change. Hair care uses a great deal of hot water. The difference between high and low hair care routines is enormous. We're not talking about a 10 or 20% difference in carbon footprint, but 2,000%. Hairdressers can be massively influential, not just through the practices they model in the salons, but the messages they give to their clients. And clients are convinced too, not just by the environmental aspects, but by the fact that too much heat, water and chemicals are not good for the skin or hair.
People listen to other people like them. They don't tend to listen to politicians, they don't tend to listen to what's going on in the media. Sitting here having your hair done and your hairdresser's chatting to you about ordinary life and you believe them. So when they start using less water or they start using less energy and they tell you about it, it's a very persuasive way of spreading the environmental message.
We worked with salon owners to find out how to make their practices more sustainable.
Yeah, have you seen that film?
For example, using dry shampoo or leave-in conditioner saves money, water, electricity and time.
This is our water extraction system. It draws water out of the hair after shampooing and conditioning is complete, so it cuts out the use of towels. So to eliminate even just the water in the washing machine, the savings in salon and on the environment would be phenomenal.
Our findings led to a change in default recommendations from shampooing twice to just once, which by itself has saved millions of litres of water and kilowatts of energy. Working with industry bodies, we've created a bespoke sustainability certification for salons and stylists, so far issued to over 1,000 stylists and 50 salons. A major challenge was getting hairdressers to come to our events, so we obtained an ESRC Knowledge Exchange grant to embed sustainability across the whole curriculum.
Since 2014, all qualifications that have been written have now got the sustainable practice built into them. So the knock-on effect that we get is a learner becomes a stylist, the stylist becomes the senior stylist, becomes the salon owner, and this is a self-perpetuating cycle within industry.
We reach several thousand trainees and trainers via industry events and numerous workshops at hairdressing colleges. Our recent ESRC Impact Acceleration Grant has enabled us to develop a virtual salon training tool that demonstrates key sustainability concepts, sustainable practices, products and technologies. A typical salon that followed our suggestions would save over £5,000 a year, 24,000 kilowatts of energy and 286,000 litres of water.
We're a huge industry. We use a lot of resources. If we just all take a few small little steps, we'll make a big difference.
We are well on our way to achieving our aim of embedding a sustainable culture across the hair and beauty sector. Our hope is to expand the project internationally, to embed sustainable hair practice in countries that suffer water shortages more regularly, countries such as Australia, South Africa and the USA.